Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing our high pressure parts washers. Now these differ from a lot of what's on the market currently because they remove greases and oils with high pressure and heat combined. So it makes it super quick, super easy, super efficient to remove greases and oils on parts like this compared to what's already out there. Now, as far as the high pressure parts washers we do offer, we have a lot of different options. We have them from 33 by 30 by 28 all the way up to 60 by 48 by 38. So they kind of go hand in hand with our vapor honing machines in size, from this size up to the 4000 size. Now you are going to get a lot of features with this cabinet. So you're going to get obviously a wiper. Inside you're going to get two lights in this specific version. It's two of the 2-foot LED light strips, so you have more broad and more clear-cut light inside of the cabinet. You have an internal drying nozzle, so you can dry your parts off after you're done washing them with the parts washer. So this specific machine has 12 to 1700 psi. Now we do have a Hydroblast Max that you guys can check out as well that has 4000 psi and also adds an oil skimmer compared to this machine. You do have a heater on this machine. Now this is super important because this is going to make your machine a 220 volt single phase instead of a 110. So we're going to take a look at this machine and its capabilities and just how quick it is and why it'll be an efficient piece of equipment for your business. So we are back with the final product here. So as you can see, we are all degreased. All the oil is off of these parts. It's important to note that this machine is meant for degreasing and de-oiling your pieces. It's not going to give you any kind of finish. If you guys are seeking a finish, you may want to get a wet blaster or a dry blaster in tandem with this machine, so you can have the ability to degrease, de-oil parts super quickly, but also give a finish in another step after that. This machine does use an aqueous-based detergent, so it's going to be a water-based detergent that goes in here. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.